Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can transform your Google Ads results with AI-powered insight. So with this workflow, you can get actionable tips on how to optimize your Google Ad campaigns and maximize the ROI, return on investment, for your clients. So you can get emails just like this. So as you can see here, I'm getting an email specific to the performance of one account, and I'm getting specific insights on how to improve the specific campaign name, on how to adjust, let's say, adjusting the local reference, or maybe broaden phrases. So use a geo-targeted copy and so on. So this way you can optimize and maximize the return on investment for your clients. So I'm going to show you the details of this. So let's jump right into it. So the first part is we need to define the multiple variables like the spreadsheet ID, the data, the sheet where we are getting the information, and of course using different prompts. For that, I'm going to include the whole blueprint for you to check it out. And then we are connecting our information. We are first off cleaning the Google Sheet so we can start from scratch, but we are connected to one specific Google template, let's say, which we are able to pour all the data, and then from there just creating some metrics for each one of the campaigns. So this is done kind of in the background, and it's helping or kind of getting the information more structured for the AI model to use this information. So first thing, we define the variables, we clean the range for the Google spreadsheet, and then we start getting the active campaigns. So for this, we are getting all the campaigns that are active for one specific client, and we are getting the client ID in the variables. So we're getting for one client. You can replicate this workflow to have it running daily, let's say at the start of each day or at the start of a week for each one of your clients. You get the active campaigns, and then you get the specific results of those campaigns, which in this case, I'm getting 60 days prior results. And with those results, then we are just aggregating it to a JSON. So this way we can include that all the information, same case here, aggregate into a JSON, then parsing it into a JSON, and then finally using the array aggregator to include everything inside. Here we are kind of pouring all the data based on that spreadsheet and the whole information that we were able to extract from Google Ads. Then that's the first part, right? We are filling all the information in the data sheet from Google Ads. So these are all the results from our campaigns. And then since this Google Sheet already has some formulas, it will create the second sheet, which is the campaign metrics. So then what we do is we just wait for the campaign metrics to fully process all that information in the Google Sheet, and then we are getting all the campaign metrics from that Google Sheet. Similar to here, we're getting everything, and then that's where we are getting all the specific keywords for each of those campaigns. So as you know, you have the account, you may have some different campaign names. Inside the campaign names, you may have some ad groups, but here we're targeting the campaign level to check all those keywords and check all the performance that you're having. And we are aggregating all those keywords specific to one campaign to get all the keywords and all the metrics. And here, last but not least, we are using O1. So O1, OpenAI O1 model, which allows us to use step-by-step thinking process, which is great for making this kind of more complex analysis. Once that whole workflow has run, you're going to receive an email just like this with all the details, like the hypotheses of why that campaign is not working, like the specific actions that you need to take in order to achieve, better qualified traffics, improve conversion rates, and lower wasted spend, and so on. So yeah, let me know what you think about this automation. And remember, don't repeat, automate. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about AI and marketing. And looking forward to hear how you use these tools and share some success cases from your side. Bye.